My name's Nate Knox. This is a song called Baby Birds. And I was sleeping in the backseat, dreaming you were with me. Then I woke with an aching back. Those seatbelts never held me like you do. Then you forgot my name. We got older and watched you change. Can't have sun without the rain. The rest of us had to learn to move alone. Baby birds in my rib cage, singing about the old days. Remember when you went away? Wrote you letters but you never returned my calls. Yes, I thought that things could change. It would be okay. We wouldn't worry if you would stay. Baby birds left their cage and cracked my chest. Flew to space and built their nests. Then I fell asleep in your backyard. Moonlight and twinkling stars, cold feet and a runny nose. Honey, I'll go wherever the wind blows. Cigarette butts on the floorboard, left my love at the seashore. No, I'm not ashamed, even though I have his name. I guess I thought that things could change. It would be okay. We wouldn't worry if you would stay. My baby birds left their cage and cracked my chest. Flew to space and built their nest. I guess I thought that things could change. It would be okay. We wouldn't worry if you would stay. My baby birds left their cage and cracked my chest. To space and built their nest. Baby birds in my rib cage, singing about the old days. Remember when you went away? Wrote you letters but you never returned my calls. Thank you.